Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a fashion lover like me and want to know more about fashion designing, please hit the red subscribe button and join the family. So guys, I recently started a series about fashion designing and this is episode 2 in knowing all about fashion designing. And if you still haven't watched my recent video on answering the frequently asked questions about fashion designing and also bursting a few myths about it, please go watch it now. I'll leave the link down here in the description box below. So guys, as I already said, I'm a final year fashion student and I'm pursuing my bachelor's degree in fashion designing, and today in this video I'll be sharing my 4 years experience in studying fashion designing. So it all started back when I was a kid. I used to watch a lot of animated movies and Barbie movies and all, and it usually fascinated me a lot watching these Barbies or princesses change into their princessy dresses, all those mesmerizing shiny dresses and all, and even the random outfits that they used to wear. It used to fascinate me a lot, and back itself I bought myself a book especially for designing, and I used to draw little things. I was not very perfect. I was just a kid. I used to draw things in it, and it was in my 8th or 9th class that I actually realized that it is something I really love to do. And I considered and planned on doing fashion designing then, and it was not actually a cakewalk. It was not easy convincing my family and all. They first thought it was not the right way. I had to do a proper degree or something and then I can do it later on. But then I felt like, no, I'm not interested on something else. This is what I wanted to do. I convinced my parents and my family, and then finally in 2017 I actually went on to pursue my dream. I finally got an admission in a fashion designing college, and I took this bachelor's course in fashion designing. And then coming to this course, there are two ways. Okay, you have degree courses and you have diploma courses. I took up to my degree courses, and then you even have 3 years degree course and 4 years degree course. I wanted to study 4 years, like a proper degree course. So I searched for many colleges, and finally I found a college which has 4 years degree course. There are many, but usually many colleges just keep this 3 years degree course, but I wanted to 4, so I finally took up this course and I started my journey in studying this bachelor's degree in fashion designing. So I took up this course, and actually by the time I took up this course, I just know, okay, I like designing, I like sketching, so this is what I wanted to do. But I really did not have any idea what it was all about, what all I had to offer, what all I had to learn to do it. So my first year started, and it was a very creative, playful kind of environment. And to be honest, in our first year we were not even allowed to sketch directly. So it is something we had to learn from the basics. Okay, even the people who don't know drawing, if you are scared ki, yeah, I like designing but I don't know how to draw, or I'm not a great artist, you will be taught everything from basics in detail. So it was a very pretty fun kind of course in my first year. It was mostly about learning how to draw or how to color, how to use the different coloring mediums, rendering mediums, how to actually use it, how to, like for example, oil pastels, soft pastels, steadlers, how to use them, how to actually give that right way of rendering effects into your art or whatever it is. We were also taught about how to get ready, how it all starts, the basics of fashion designing. We were taught about the color combinations, how it works, all the color story, color theory, the ornamentation or embroidery. We also learnt a little bit of dyeing and printing. So all this, and also pattern making, which I had no idea about. So it is all the technical stuff I never knew that existed. It all goes on behind how we make the clothing and all. So learning all that was so new and it was so good to me. I mean, the feeling that I got that I'm actually doing this stuff now. We were also taught a little bit of sketching, like basics, how to draw a pose, how to do a mechanical figure, and also a little bit of computer editing on computer softwares, a little bit learning how it all works. I mean, first year it was basically learning all the basic stuff that goes into fashion designing. It is not just sketching, it is so many things, and it was so overwhelming while I started doing, and it was such a joyful experience. And then it was a fun experience in first year, and then slowly we moved on to our second year. Second year, it started, I mean, it was something like it started the actual course. And finally, we were doing what all it takes as a designer. I mean, what everything is really needed. Now we know the basics, and now we are stepping into the real world, using our basics into making a real thing. We were taught much about fashion, how it all started, the history of fashion, how it emerged and how it evolved throughout the years to now, and how it is now, all the designers that are in the industry before itself, and even the designers that are industry right now. We were taught more about the textiles, the fabrics that goes into designing or making a garment. We were taught about the traditional touch of the fashion. We were also taught about how to market our collection, or basically how fashion marketing goes on, and also with advanced pattern drafting and pattern making, and also advanced computer editing softwares. And we also started knowing a little bit how to stitch, the basics of stitching, what all different kind of stitch were there, and all the little tacking thing, how you stitch with your hand. We were taught all this basic stuff of stitching, and also more about fashion designing, the history, the marketing, the fabric, the textiles, the compositions, everything. So guys, let me tell you, it is like basically we have a few subjects which will be continued throughout the journey, but it will be more of advanced and deeper every year and every semester. So moving on to third year, we almost had some of the same subjects, but the matter was totally different. We had much deeper matter and something really new about it. So in third year we again had more about history of fashion and history of evolution of fashion and the costumes of different eras, different centuries, and we also had more about marketing, the merchandising, and more about technical side about fashion, the knitwear and the textile compositions. And then we had even the accessories, how to accessorize ourselves, how to style ourselves, how to create a complete look from scratch, and how to create something which with something we already have. I mean, the different ways of styling ourselves, of making us look better, the overall look, like your garments, your clothing, your hairstyles which goes with it, your makeup looks, your body types, your accessories which goes with the look, your shoes, everything comes under accessories, right? Your shoes, your bracelet, rings or chain or bag, anything that actually suits with it, how to pair it up. It was all taught in detail, and marketing in detail, what different kinds of market was out there, how many merchandising roles were out there, and how people would handle it, how to actually handle your customers, how to actually handle your retail store. It was taught in detail. We were also taught about factory, how it all goes on in a fashion factory, the manufacturing, the production, and marketing it. And we were also taught more about art, and how art always inspires fashion designers to create better pieces, and a very illusional and arty kind of feels, the collaborations that artists have with designers. It was all in detail fashion story kind, in depth knowledge about it, which was really good. Knowing a lot about things which I never knew is always empowering, and we were even given a lot of opportunities to have internships out there. Let me tell you, internships in fashion is not like internships where you go for a long period of time. It is very short internships like fashion weeks and all. It is only for a week or 10 days or something. We were given opportunities. We had worked in many places, so it was really a good experience working there too. And so third year it was in-depth fashion, and we got an overview of the industry and everything about fashion designing and the complete knowledge. So moving to the fourth year. Now I'm a fourth year student and this is a final year. So again, as you already know, generally these degree courses have divided into 2 semesters each year. We have 2 semesters each year. So now currently I'm in 7th semester. So this semester the portion is mostly concentrated on portfolio making. Portfolio, let me tell you, like you have your CV, portfolio is a CV for us, but CV, I'll tell you, CV is something you make in one page. Portfolio is literally like our talent in one place. Like we have all our best works gathered in one place, also our best collection from scratch to the garment sketching and also creating garments, we have it in one place. So that is portfolio making, and that is a huge thing and very important. So we have portfolio making, manual portfolio making, and also digital portfolio making on computer softwares like Photoshop, Adobe Suite. We have to use it and create it, and also obviously we have more about industrial overview of how it is out there. Over here the marketing is now something which is related to the real world market and how to actually start business on ourselves. So fourth year is more about concentrating on us as designers. So as I said, first year is like basic knowledge about art in general. Second year, knowing about fashion designing and about in depth about it, how it all started. It's like a starting step to fashion designing. Third year is an in-depth overview about fashion in total. So fourth year is concentrating on ourselves as fashion designing and making ourselves ready for outer fashion industry, outer world fashion industry, and preparing ourselves as designers so that we go out and start as a designers. It is like evolving, and now concentrating on ourselves is like creating all this. It feels so good, like we are creating new pieces, we are concentrating on ourselves as a designer. It literally feels like we are in the industry and we are having a business we are running. It kind of feels like that. All the work we do, going out, sourcing and all, it is really such an exposure. And next semester it's like I'm at the final stage of 7th semester. We are almost done now, and as we know, it is COVID time. So 7th semester we had the whole semester online classes itself, and still we managed to do pretty good work. And now we are at the end of it, and we have to enter the next semester, which is mainly about a fashion show and our internship. So back then, even in third year, we had a fashion show, which we designed a collection as a team, not individual. So there were teams who designed a collection, and it was showcased as a proper show, and models were wearing it. I mean, the proper fashion show, right? We had it, and I'll tell you, that is an amazing experience. That is something really good that one can have while studying, having an experience as a designer, having your collection, having your show is something really with good exposure, and literally knowing how it all works backstage or on stage, and how it all works behind the process and all, creating a collection and having it on stage in front of everyone. It is a really good experience. So we had a show in our third year, and in our fourth year, in our eighth semester, it is a final. Let me tell you, it is a graduation fashion show kind of thing, where now there is no teamwork. We have to do our individual collection from the portfolio that we had. We had to develop garments and have a fashion show on it. And also 8th semester consists of internship, and internships in our field is a bit different. I had experience in working internships, so I'll tell you in detail about internships in my further videos. So I think I covered everything that I could about fashion designing course. I mean, this degree 4-year fashion designing course, how it all goes. I feel it is a really good course that you can take up to, and if you're someone who loves fashion designing, I think 4-year course will be an overall course. If you are planning to study fashion designing, I personally suggest to take a 4-year course, because everything is in detail and everything you learn bit by bit. But if you can't, it's always possible to take even a 1-year or 2-year diploma courses and all. But it is an amazing experience if you ask me, and it is for sure a very good stream that you can opt to. So that's it for today's video, guys. I tried to cover and share as much as things that I could think of, everything that I went through or experienced in these 4 years of fashion designing. And if you have any other doubts or questions regarding this course or anything about fashion designing, please feel free to comment it down in the comment section below, and I'll surely get back to it. And regarding internships, I will share it in detail, all the internships that I got so far, and my experience in working for those internships, and how it actually works over there, everything about it. I will make an in detail video about it in my further videos. So if you have any queries, comment it down below. And if you want to know anything else, please put it down in the comment section so that I'll cover it up in my upcoming videos. This is just second episode and I'll be doing more. So if you want to find out more content about it, please stay tuned, and I'll be back very soon with more videos. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit that little thumbs up button. And also, if you still didn't turn on the post notification, hit that bell button down there so that you'll be notified every time I post a video and you won't miss any of my videos. So please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back very soon with new videos. And until then, adios amigos.